Hey, what's up beautiful people of YouTube? Welcome to Dom's Media Zone. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to easily remove a green screen in DaVinci Resolve 17. So if you have a situation where you've got a video that's got something inside it and it's got a green screen at the back and you need that green screen gone, this is the video for you. In today's example, I'm going to show you how to remove the green screen from a subscribe button. So if you wanted to put a subscribe button in one of your videos, but it's got a green screen at the back, I'll show you a very quick and easy way to remove it. So I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope it helps you out. As an example, I'm going to use this subscribe button and notification bell with a green screen. So if I just double click on it, you can see it's got the subscribe button with a green screen, and I want to put that into my video on top of one of my video clips. So the first thing I'm going to do is drag this video on top of where I want to put it. Now the problem is that the green screen is covering up my video clip, so we have to get rid of the green screen. And to do that, we're going to head on to the Fusion tab down here. Click on the Fusion tab. Once you're in the Fusion tab, you want to hit Shift and Spacebar on your keyboard. And in this little search box, type Delta Kia. Find it, click on it, and then click the Add button. Once you've done that, head on over to the top right hand corner where you see the background color, and you'll see this little droplet tool, and drag it. So hit your left mouse button, hold it and drag it to the green portion of your screen and then let it go. And as you can see, the green has been completely removed, but everything else is left. Now we need to go back to the edit tab. And as you can see, the green is now gone, and all we have to do is position the subscribe button to how we like it. Let's just go ahead and zoom out a little bit to make it smaller, and using the position tool, I'm going to move it a bit to the left and to the top. And now if I play this video back to you, you can see our subscribe button does not have the green screen anymore. Thanks for watching. It's as easy as that to remove the green screen in DaVinci Resolve 17. If you did like this video and if it did help you out, please do subscribe and do give me a thumbs up to let me know if it was any good. Thanks for watching, stay safe and take care.